Vocabulary for beginners. Ani, team. Ani, wear. Ani, nail. Kani, fruit. Kani, calculate. Kani, a land measure. Yeni, ladder. Keni, bell. Teni, bee. Toni, ferry. Doni, sound. Kuni, stoop. Kuni, goblin. Kuni, a hunchbacked woman. Sini, sugar. Sani, dung. Jnani, wise man. Duni, clever. Dani, quench. Tani, special. Tini, stuff. Tini, food. Tuni, cloth. Tuni, determine. Pani, service. Pani, snow. Bani, style. Pini, disease. Nuni, tip or end. Money, bell. Money, bead. Thank you for your listening.